Our Lady of Grace Senior High, M equals 3.0 kilograms and D equals 0.50 meters. Yes, Samuel.
2.4 by 10 exponent negative 9 Newton.
That is correct. Opoku Highskul, M equals 7.0 kilograms and D equals 0.35 meters. Yes, John.
2.7 times 10 exponent negative 8 newtons.
That is correct. The last set of questions for round 1. Give the systematic name of one isomer of the compound with molecular formula C4H6Br2, given that it is a cycloalkane with a methyl substituent. Give the systematic name of one isomer of the compound with molecular formula C4H6Br2, given that it is a cycloalkane with a methyl substituent. Zion College. Please, this is 30 seconds. All right. Yes, Godwin.
We have 1,3-dibromo 2-methyl cyclopropane.
Incorrect. Yes.
1,1-dibromo 2-methyl cyclopropane.
That is correct. Yes, Opoku Ware.
1,2-dibromo 2-methyl cyclopropane. 1,2-dibromo 2-methyl cyclopropane.
Yes. And that ends round 1.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow? What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abraboy, Uncle Tabu, a dead and Danny, the plan of that 45 city, intimate Tordine. No sweet Miss Everborn that. Fafus this year, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. That is this year. Make up flower. Insurance.
Inshira, Beju Adriani.
Hey.
So many people with your name. What makes you stand out? When you are called, will you be ready? Get the X Factor advantage with an ALX course. Search ALX Ghana online to learn more about our programs.
How do I look?
At Academic City, we are not just
Hello, Alpha. Yeah, the landlady is here today too. She's harassing me this morning. Yes, come and see how I'm sweating.
Well, if I catch you,
Yes, the number I sent you the last time. Yes, use the JuPay app. It will come right now.
Hey, bra. Ah, so I'm sick of mommy. Give me my money.
We didn't know. What your JuPay is here? Yes, Karanabe. Sure, JuPay. JuPay is the best money transfer app that is used to send money directly from the US to Ghana free of charge. They have the best rates in the market and they are very competitive. And don't think a scanner can abroad.
A equals negative 3 over 5. So we checked the video and the answer given was 24 over 5. And that is not correct, because the correct answer should be negative 24 over 5. Okay. Over 25, I'm sorry, over 25. That's the correct answer. Then the first set of biology questions. What is the unspecified type of plant tissue that divides and differentiates into other types of plant tissues? The answer is parenchyma. It is not meristematic cells. Meristematic cells are general cells, so that is not the answer. Then the same set of biology questions, that was the second one. What is the result of meiosis in angiosperm? The production of haploid megaspores and microspores. Opoku Ware gave the answer to form haploid gametophytes. Consultant says that is incorrect. Then the last petition, the chemistry question. Please, the preamble read, give the formula of the product formed when the given compounds react in aqueous medium. Identify any precipitate form. The answer I got from Zion College was ZNS, white precipitate. You gave me one of the products. White precipitate is not the identity of the precipitate. That's why I gave 1 out of 3. That's understood? Okay. So at the end of round 1, Zion College 7 points, Our Lady of Grace Senior High School 10 points, Opoku Ware School 27 points. We move to, yes. You want to answer a question? Round 2. The Prudential Life Insurance Speed Race. In this round, questions are to all the schools at the same time. The first to ring the bell and gives the correct answer, 3 points. If it's incorrect, the second school that presses the bell gets to answer for 2 points if it's correct. If it's incorrect, the third school that presses the bell gets to answer for 1 point if that answer is correct. All incorrect answers, a deduction of 1 point. Please remember our 3 seconds rule. When you ring the bell, the assumption is your answer is ready. So please, that's not when you are still calculating, conversing with your, do all that before you press the bell. Okay? Is that all right? Secondly, do not drag the answers. Y value is the fraction with numerator and no. This is speed race. Is that okay? So go straight to the point. 5 over 2, 27, a tree. Okay? Do you understand? Do you understand? Opoku Ware, do you understand? Okay. The speed race is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana for every life and for every future. Oh, please ring the bell, let them hear it. If you hear that bell, I will move on. I will not take your answer. Okay? All right. First question, 30 seconds. If f of x equals x squared minus 2 and g of x equals 2x plus 1, evaluate f of g of 2. Yes, Opoku Ware?
23.
That's correct. Next, 30 seconds. Okay, answer. Next 30 seconds. If alpha, beta are the roots of the equation x squared minus 7x plus 5 equals 0, evaluate alpha squared beta plus alpha beta. Opoku Ware.
35.
Yes. Next, find the solution set of the inequality x plus 3 multiplying x minus 2 multiplying x minus 5. Yes, Our Lady of Grace. Leave the bell.
X is such that x is less than -3 or 2 less than x less than 5.
That's correct. Ten seconds. State the term that describes insects that feeds on blood. Opoku Ware.
Coprophagous insects.
Yeah, yes.
Coprophagous insects.
No.
Sanguivorous insects.
No. Hematophagous insects. 10 seconds. What name is given to hyphae? What name is given to hyphae with continuous? Okay. What name is given to hyphae which continues cytoplasm throughout the entire structure, allowing for easy movement of nutrients and organelles, and the nuclide is not separated by cross walls? Our Lady of Grace.
Non-septate hyphae.
No. Yes. Opoku Ware.
Aseptate hyphae.
Incorrect. Coinocytic hyphae. Next 10 seconds. Name the enzyme that catalyzes the phosphorylation of Our Lady of Grace.
Phosphorylase.
Incorrect. Phosphorylation of glucose to form glucose 6-phos. Yes, Zion College.
Hexokinase.
That is correct. Hexokinase. 30 seconds. Calculate the mass of ammonia produced when 3.50 grams of nitrogen reacts with excess hydrogen. Yes, Opoku Ware.
Okay, we have 4.25 grams.
Yes. Next, 30 seconds. A straight chain diol has molar mass 146 grams per mole and contains 8 carbon atoms. Determine the number of hydrogen atoms present in the alcohol. Our Lady of Grace.
15 hydrogen atoms.
Incorrect. John.
18.
Next 30 seconds. What volume of water must be added to 42 centimeter cube of a 0.60 moles per decimeter cube HCl solution to dilute it to a concentration of 0.20? Yes, Opoku Ware.
84 centimeters cube.
Yes. Next 30 seconds. A 2-kilogram object on a rough horizontal surface is pushed from rest to a speed of 3 meters per second over a distance of 2 meters by a constant 5 Newton force acting in the direction of the object's motion. Find the magnitude of the friction force on the object. Yes, Opoku High School. Stephen.
0.5 Newton.
Yes. Next 30 seconds. If Young's modulus for a polymer blend is 1.6 gigapascal, what stress in a 5 centimeter long polymer rod results in a 0.30 millimeters elongation? Yes, Opoku High School.
Okay, 9 point.
Give your answer again. I wasn't hearing you.
9.6 multiplying 10 exponent 6 pascals.
Incorrect. Our Lady of Grace.
9.6 by 10 raised to an exponent of 9 Pascal.
Incorrect. Okay, it's 3.2 megapascals. Oh, the last question for round 2. Find the horizontal range of a projectile launched from level ground at 45 degrees above the horizontal with speed 10 meters. Yes, Opoku High School.
10 meters.
That is correct. And that ends round 2. So before I give the results for round 2, petitions to address. The physics question, if L equals 5 centimeters, then the stress would be 9.6 megapascals, which Opoku Ware gave that answer, so it is correct. For the biology set of questions, consultant says do not accept aseptate hyphae, because aseptic hyphae just means that the nuclide is separated by the cross walls. But the synocystic covers all the properties that he described. So that should be the correct answer. All right. So at the end of round 2, Zion College, 9 points. Our Lady of Grace Senior High School, 9 points. Opoku Ware School, 48 points. Round 3, the problem of the day. But before that, substitution for Opoku Ware School. Bismarck is coming in for John. Bismarck, change the name. Bismarck. Round 3, problem of the day. In this round, contestants are given a complex question, so they are given 4 minutes to give a solution on the interactive screens behind them. After the 4 minutes, I'll grade your solutions, then give what the consultants gave and award the marks. Problem of the day is worth 10 points. Please go to the whiteboards of your screens. Then after that, put all pens down. Lift the sheet up so that everyone will know you are not writing. Yes. As we read through the problem of the day from mathematics, a function f of x is defined by f of x equals x minus 3, all divided by x squared plus 2x minus 3. Find constant a and b such that f of x equals a over x plus 3 plus b over x minus 1. B, find the domain of the function f of x. C, solve the equation f of x equals 1. And D, evaluate the limit as x approaches to 4f of x. This is the problem of the day. You have 4 minutes. Go to the first page. Next page. This is A. C. Okay, next page. Let me see the C. Okay. Okay, so we have the solution from the contestant. Let's go through the solution from the consultant. A function f of x is defined by f of x equals x minus 3 divided by x squared plus 2x minus 3. A, find constants a and b such that f of x equals a over x plus 3 plus b over x minus 1. So if we factorize the denominator, we will get x minus 3 all divided by x plus 1, x minus 1, being equal to a over x plus 3 plus b multiplying x minus 1. No, b over x minus 1. If you write this, 1 mark. So if you multiply through by the denominator, it leaves you with x minus 3 equals a multiplying x minus 1 plus b multiplying x plus 3. If you're able to write that, 1 mark. For x equals 1, you get b to be equal to negative half, 1 mark. For x being equal to negative 3, you get a to be equal to 3 over 2, 1 mark. That's for a. So for a, if you're able to do everything correctly, 4 points. B, find the domain of the function. So you have x squared plus 2x minus 3 being equal to x plus 3 multiplying x minus 1 not equal to 0. Therefore, the domain is x is such that x is a real number, but x is not equal to 1 or negative 3. If you write that, 2 marks for B. C, solve the equation f of x equals 1. So the whole f of x will be equal to 1, which is x minus 3 divided by x squared plus 2x minus 3, all equal to 1. This will come to x squared plus 2x minus 3 being equal to x minus 3. If you solve for x, you should get x to be equal to 0, negative 1, 2 points. And you are to evaluate the limit as x approaches 2 of f of x. So we have the expression x minus 3 divided by x squared plus 2x minus 3. If we replace x with 2, you will get 2 minus 3 divided by 4 plus 4 minus 3. And this is equal to negative 1 over 5. 2 points. Now to our contestants. Our Lady of Grace, they were able to do the factorization and the division. They got the value of b, but for the value of a, they got negative 3 over 2, which is incorrect. So for a, they get 3 parts. For b, they got it wrong for the domain because they wrote that x is not equal to negative 1 and negative 3. So for b, they get 0. For c, they got x to be 3 and 2, which is not correct. So they get 0 for c, but they were able to solve for the limits as negative 1 over 5. So they get 2 points there. In total, 5 out of 10. Zion College was able to solve A, solve B, C, and D correctly. They get 10 out of 10. Opoku Ware was also able to solve A, B, C, and D correctly, so they also get 10 out of 10. That ends round 3. So in this round, statements are to each school, and you have 10 seconds to let me know whether the statement I made is true or false. Correct answer 2 points. An incorrect answer, a deduction of 1 point. But you may choose not to answer, for which I'll pass the statement on, and the first out of the 2 schools to press the bell gets to answer for 2 points if it's correct, but a deduction of 1 point if it's incorrect. Please, I'm the one reading the statements, so your focus should be on me. Should it be that at any point I see you looking into the audience, there will be a penalty? Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay. So this round is proudly sponsored by Jupe Money Transfer. For this season of NSMQ, should any alumni want to send money to Ghana with their school's promo, the school receives $20 for each transaction. In this contest, Zion College promo code is ZICO, Z-I-C-O, all in uppercase. For Our Lady of Grace Senior High, it's Our Lady of Grace, together, one word. For Opoku Ware School, promo code is OWASS, O-W-A-S-S. If you use this promo code and you send money, the school gets $20. The True or False round is proudly sponsored by Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via Jupe. Round 4. I will start from Zion College. Lithium and manganese are common. Yes, Paul.
False.
It's false. Our Lady of Grace. Smelting involves heating an ore in the presence of a reducing agent to extract a metal.
True.
It's true. Opoku Ware School. Copper is commonly extracted by smelting using carbon monoxide. Bismarck.
False.
Incorrect. A preamble. In any electric circuit, the algebraic sum of the current flowing in any given node. In an electric circuit, the algebraic sum of the current flowing into any given node, Zion College, equals the current supplied by the electric power source. Yes, Paul. Equals the net current supplied by the electric power source.
False.
False. Opoku Ware School equals 0. Yes, Bismarck.
True.
True. Zion College. Plants that reproduce sexually are more genetically stable than those that produce asexually. Yes, Paul.
False.
It's false. Our Lady of Grace, plants that reproduce asexually have greater genetic diversity than those that reproduce sexually.
False.
False. Opoku Ware School, plants that reproduce sexually reach maturity faster than those who reproduce asexually. Bismarck.
False.
It's false. A preamble. If cos x equals -1/2, then if cos x equals -1/2, then Zion College, sin x equals √3/2. Paul.
False.
False. Our Lady of Grace, sin x equals -3/2.
False.
False. Opoku Ware School, sin x equals ±√3/2. Bismarck.
True.
True. Zion College, crude oil is separated into different fractions based on boiling points. Paul.
True.
It's true. Our Lady of Grace, gasoline is a lighter fraction of crude oil and boils at a lower temperature than diesel.
False.
No, that's a true statement. Opoku Ware School, lubricants are collected from the top of the fractional distillation column.
False.
It's false. A preamble. The potential energy of a particle moving along the x-axis is given by Cx squared, where C is a constant. The potential energy of a particle moving along the x-axis is given by Cx squared, where C is a constant. Zion College. The SI unit for C is Newton per meter. Yes, Paul?
False.
No. Our Lady of Grace, the net force on the particle is 0 at x equals 0.
False.
No. Opoku High School, the total energy of the particle is 0 at x equals 0. Bismarck.
False.
False. Zion College, adults have more bones than infants. False. Our Lady of Grace, yellow marrow only exists in adults.
False.
No. That's a true statement. Opoku Ware, some of the bone marrow in adults remain as red bone marrow in order to produce red blood cells. Bismarck.
True.
It's true. Of brackets open 1 plus x bracket closed all to the power n. The expansion is finite if in the binomial expansion of bracket open 1 plus x bracket closed raised to the power n. The expansion is finite if Zion College n is a rational number. Paul.
False.
Yes, it's false. Our Lady of Grace, n is a natural number.
True.
It's true. Opoku Ware, n is an integer. Bismarck?
True.
No. And that ends round 4. Our Lady of Grace Senior High School, 21 points. Zion College, 32 points. Opoku Ware School, 68 points. Round 5, riddles round. I'll be reading a set of clues to one particular thing. You can stop me at any time by ringing your bell. You give a correct answer whilst I'm on the first clue, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Any other number of clues thereafter, 3 points. If your answer is not correct, you have to sit out for that particular riddle. Join us when we move to the next riddle. At stake in this round is the Goal Riddle Bonanza, which rewards a school that solves 3 riddles correctly with 1,200 cedis, or solves all 4 riddles correctly with 1,600 Ghana cedis. The Goal Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goal Good Energy. Riddle number 1. I am a compound found practically everywhere on earth. I am hard and transparent. I am a component in filtration systems for water treatment. I am used in the production of glass. I am found in Our Lady of Grace.
You are silica or SiO2.
No. I am found in various forms, including quartz, sand, and silica.
Silicon dioxide.
That's what I'm looking for. Next riddle, so they get 3 points. I am a named law in physics. I was discovered by a British scientist before my announcement by a French scientist whose name I bear. Cavendish demonstrated experimentally. Opoku High School.
Coulomb's law.
That's correct. 3 points. I am an array of numbers. Yes, Our Lady of Grace.
Matrix.
That's correct. 5 points. The last riddle. We are plants from prehistoric times and have survived almost unchanged for millions of years. We grow in moist, rich soils in all parts of the world except Australia. Some of our species produce 2 kinds of shoots, those with cone-like clusters, strobili, of spore capsules. Our Lady of Grace.
Gymnosperms.
No. And those lacking such structures, our hollow joints, rigid stems contain silicates and other minerals. We are the only living genus of plants in the order Equisitales, and the class Equisitocida. Opoku High School.
Horse steel fence.
No. Our name is synonymous with the tail of animals that are used for leisure activities, sports, and working purposes. Who are we? I have horse tails as the answer. And that ends round 4. answers first. The biology riddle. Clue number 6 says, name is synonymous with the tail of animals that are used for leisure activities, sports, and working purposes. We are looking for only horse tail because of that clue. You have to listen to all the clues. Okay? Right. Thank you. So before I give the results, let's acknowledge our sponsors. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Goal PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, Jupe Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Better Malls, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM, and Gelmark Foundation. The 2024 edition of the STEM Festival will come off from the 7th to the 23rd of November 2024. Join us as we delve into the theme, Exploring Agri-Tech Solutions to Boost Ghana's Economy. Now to our contest. At the end of the contest, Our Lady of Grace Senior High School, 26 points. Zion College, 32 points. Opoku Ware School, 74 points. Zion College, Our Lady of Grace Senior High. Unfortunately, the journey ends for you here. Hopefully next year you come back much stronger. Opoku Ware School, congratulations for winning the contest and qualifying for the quarter-final stage. Your score of 74 is the highest scorer for the day. Which, at this stage, is worth 2,000 Ghana cedis. This higher scorer award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. I am Dr. Anita Opon, your quiz mistress, and this is a Primetime production. Thank you.